Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, let's talk about planning. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. Dedicate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring you cover all areas. Prioritize subjects needing more practice, perhaps spending 1.5 hours daily. Incorporate short, 10-minute breaks every hour to keep your mind fresh. This systematic approach boosts productivity and understanding. Next, let's explore active learning techniques. Don't just passively read, engage with the material. After studying a chapter, try to summarize it without looking at your notes. Solving at least 5 previous question papers for each subject will familiarize you with exam patterns. Explaining concepts to someone else, or even to yourself, solidifies your understanding. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing formulas and definitions, making revision efficient and effective. Effective time management is crucial for consistent progress. Break down large study goals into smaller, achievable tasks, like completing 1 chapter per day. Regular revision is key. Dedicate at least 2 hours every weekend to review what you've learned throughout the week. Procrastination can be a major hurdle, so try to start your study sessions promptly. The final 2 months before exams should be primarily focused on comprehensive revision and mock tests. Finally, remember that your well-being is paramount. Adequate sleep, around 7 to 8 hours each night, is essential for memory consolidation and focus. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, avoiding excessive junk food. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your daily routine. It helps reduce stress and improves concentration. Short, 5-minute breaks to stretch or walk around can significantly refresh your mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.